Hi, Maggie Baker. 6 more days to go. Well, I just want to say I have a lot of fun counting down stuff. So I'm so grateful that I only have like 6 more days to go. And wow, for all everything that's been out there in my life to support me through this, I do appreciate it. And also thank you, YouTube, for giving us such a nice tool to actually do this and really share our ideas and all that good stuff. So, anyways, I'm just keeping on writing my 150 list, the things that I would love to go do, accomplish, have, be, and all that stuff. I think I'm on 115, so I'm yet to get there. But anyway, I think if we get such a list, you can have so much to do that you never fall out of anything. You'll never get bored. And I actually had another saying that life is not a humdrum. Humdrum means life is more boring. So I believe that saying. And yeah, let's go make it so joyful and so full of fun and so full of us too, because you're the ones who make things fun. And true, true, true. Wherever you go, there you are. So if something is not fun, pretty much you can change it because you're there and there. Nobody else is to be blamed if you're not having fun. So, because you're always there. You're always taking yourself everywhere you go. So, it doesn't matter whether you change a job, go to a different state, get married, get divorced, or whatever you want to call it. The thing is, it's you and you make things happen. So, love you guys and have a good night. Bye.